Hi there. My name is Al Gordon O'Connell,
And I'm Catherine Terrell.
and we are proud to be members of the VSEA legal team, and especially proud that over the last several days we've had the opportunity to fight the good fight at the Vermont Labor Relations Board with regard to the governor's arbitrary return to commute mandate. We're here to tell you a little bit about what's happened over the last couple of days and to tell you about what's happening from here. So this was a formal hearing before the Labor Relations Board. There were 3 members of the board who took evidence and testimony. And we are convinced after these 3 days of hearing that we are on the side of right, that the state has given no good reason why this change had to happen at all, and that the state is not justified why it failed or refused to bargain with your union about this change. The witnesses for the state simply did not have the answers to the questions that we needed. And I think on that basis, I think we win.
Yes, and we also would like to thank all of you who have responded to surveys and told us your stories. Without your stories, we couldn't have put on the case that we did. And I want to especially thank those that were willing to testify about their change in circumstances and how the governor's order impacted them. It took a lot of bravery, and we couldn't do it without you.
So at this point, the record is closed. What that means is all the testimony and all the evidence that was going to be put before the board is before the board. Now the lawyers do some lawyering. The lawyers for the state and Kat and I are going to get together and put our legal arguments forward in writing to the board. And then those are due on the 4th of March. We expect the board to meet very soon thereafter, and we are hopeful of a decision in this case by the end of March or beginning of April. So those of you who are sitting on pins and needles, wondering what your future looks like, we are hopeful to have a good answer for you within the next 5 or 6 weeks. Again, we are so grateful to do this work for you. We thank you so much for working with us on this. We're proud of this union and the work it's doing, and we are really, really excited about a good outcome.